Hello, in this video I will show you how to fill out the kids reports. We need to do the following. You have to go to your personal folder, open the grades folder, then you're going to see an Excel spreadsheet for kids grades. In the format, we have 13 tabs, which is for each student. You will have to fill out the first one that says midterm report card. Writing some strengths and some areas for improvement. You have to be positive in your comments. These reports are given to their parents. The next one that says report card is for the end of the semester, but you can start filling it out. You have to mark regarding their progress that you will see during the rest of the semester. You can mark here the language skills and citizenship. The letter O means outstanding, the letter S means satisfactory, and the letter F means fair, may need some improvement. And also you have to add some comments. Remember to be positive. The midterm report must be done before February 24th. The final report card has to be done before April 23rd. Thanks for watching.